This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 11, chapter 29. Limits exercise is 29.4. Now question number 13. So same thing we are going to do here. So we have already seen that the first exercise was direct substitution. The second was the factorization. And the third, the exercise whole, is about the rationalization. So last rationalization we are going to do. So you have this x, limit x tends to 2. If you put x as 2, it will be 0 by 0. So what we do, we try to rationalize it or try to remove this root also and try to make this expression such that we can put this x as 2. Okay. So whatever minus is, you multiply same term with positive sign. Same term with positive sign. So make minus as positive. So a minus b, a plus b, just multiply here. Under root x square plus 1. So a square minus b square is under root x square plus 1 will be x square plus 1 and minus 5 because under root 5 will be 5. And you have x square 1 minus 5 is minus 4. X square minus 4. So x square minus 4 square can be written as x square minus 4 can be written as x minus 2 square. So x minus 2, x plus 2. So x minus 2, x plus 2 you write, x minus 2, x minus 2 gets cancelled. This is x plus 2 by under root x square plus 1 plus under root 5. So now when we cancel it, this cancel it, your x plus 2, so put x as 2 and now put x here also as 2. So it will be 2 square plus 1 under root 5. So under root 5 plus under root 5, so 2 under root 5. 2 gets cancelled, it will be 2 by under root 5. Question number 14 it is. 14. So we have limit x tends to under root 10 and under root 7 plus 2x minus under root 5 plus under root 2 by under root x square minus under root 10 whole square. So you can take them as a minus b and multiply by a plus b, means the previous discussion. But here it's not the case. We have to think in a different way. See here, this is under root 5 plus under root 2. Since we see under root 10 in the denominator, how under root 10? Because x tends to under root 10. X is tending to under root 10. So this I am going to make it square. So this under root 5 plus under root 2 can be written as what? Root 5 plus root 2, I am writing root 5 plus root 2, and this is take under root and take square. Take under root and take square. What does it mean? Square and under root will get cancelled. Right? So if x squares, and if you are taking x square under root x square, it is going to be x. So this is root 5 plus root 2 whole square and under root. So it is same as root 5 plus root 2. Why we have written? We are squaring it now. Actually putting a plus b whole a square plus b square. So root 5 whole square 2 is 5. Root 2 whole square 2 is 2. And you have 2 and under root 5 under root 2 is under root 10. So you already have under root 10 in the denominator. How do we get it? See, the numerator will become this right hand side. Numerator will be 7 plus 2 under root 10. So in place of this, I am writing 7 plus 2 under root 10. And this is inside root. So it will be under root 7 plus 2 under root 10. So this is going to be, this whole will become under root 7 plus 2 under root 10. I hope you got the idea. Now, this in the denominator, it was what? It was x square minus 10. It was not x square minus under root 10 whole square. So I am rationalizing it first of all, multiplying the positive sign, same content with the positive sign here. Okay. So a square minus b square, 7 plus 2x whole square means under root 7 plus 2x whole square is 7 plus 2x. And denominator, if you see, this is x, it was x square minus 10. Initially, it was x square minus 10. So now I am writing it as x square minus under root 10 whole square. X square minus 10. 10 can be written as under root 10 whole square. So here x minus under root 10 and x plus under root 10. So x, a plus b, a minus b I am applying here. So when we apply here, if you see this was there because we have multiplied the plus and minus, that is rationalizing. So in numerator you get 7 plus 2x minus 7 plus 2 under root 10. After applying, a squared minus b squared. So 7 plus 2x plus 2x minus 7 minus 2 under root 10. 7 gets cancelled, you get 2x minus 2 under root 10. So now I am taking 2 outside. When we take 2 outside, what do we get? X minus under root 10. But in the denominator, you already have x minus under root 10. Okay, this gets cancelled, x minus under root 10. So under root 5 plus under root 2 whole square, this, that is why we have done it. Why did we square? Why did we make it like this? Because it is x minus under root 10 and we know x tends to under root 10 is creating a problem. So x minus under root 10 has to be the factor, right? So this problem is resolved now. Indeterminate case problem is resolved. So wherever x is remaining, now put x as under root 10. So put x as under root 10. So here under root 10 you are putting this. And one more step will be there. When you come to this step, you will be under root 5 plus under root 2 will be there. So under root 5 plus under root 2, now just multiply the, you have to write again the rationalization factor. See, this is also the answer. Nobody has told you that rationalize it. But it is always, in mathematics, we rationalize it to make it as easier as possible. So we are multiplying it with under root 5 minus under root 2, numerator, denominator. Okay. So this denominator will be under root 5 square minus under root 2 square, that is 5 minus 3, that is 3. And in the numerator, it is under root 5 minus under root 2, it will remain like this. And 2 under root 10, and by 6, this 6 under root 10 will be the answer. So now we have 15. Okay. And this I told you root 5 minus root 5, root 2 by 6 under root 10. I told you here under root 10 we have root, this x tends to root 10. We already said that. So this is how we solve the problem. What do we do here? Here we have another trick we have to use. Actually, this question number 14 and 15 are the main question of this whole exercise. So here, what do? We have the same thing with a kind of numerator and denominator. How to get it? That is, we have to rationalize it. But if we rationalize numerator, what about denominator? If we rationalize denominator, what about numerator? Okay. So this is 4 minus under root 9 plus x. Now multiply it with 4 plus under root 9 plus x, and denominator you have 4 plus under root 9 plus x. And what about denominator? You have 1 minus under root 8 minus x. 1 minus under root 8 minus x. So you just multiply numerator denominator by 1 plus under root 8 minus x, 1 plus under root 8 minus x. That is, numerator denominator we are separately rationalizing. Now apply a square minus b square. So this is 4 is 16 minus this is under root 9 plus x, this 9 plus x. Here 1 plus under root 8x minus 1 will be there. A square minus b square, so 1 square minus 8 under root 8 minus x whole square is 8 minus x. So we have 1 minus 8 plus x. So this will be minus 7 plus x. Okay. So minus 7 plus x will be in the denominator. 16 minus 9 is 7. And 7 and negative also. So it will be 7 minus x. This will be 7 minus x. Okay, denominator you have minus 7 plus x. So you can take a negative common and then you can cancel out this x minus 7. Okay, numerator denominator can be cancelled out this one. So I am taking negative common from here. So I am taking this negative, either you can take negative from denominator or numerator, it doesn't matter because it will be same. Negative has to come. So I am taking negative common. X minus 7 will be there. X minus 7 can be cancelled. So you have minus 1 remaining. Okay, minus 1. Then we have 1 plus under root 8 minus x by 4 plus under root 9 plus x. So now negativity is already there. Now we have no problem. Now you can apply this x tends to 7. Now you can apply. So negative will always be there. So the final result, if you see, will be minus 1 by 4. If you apply x as 7. Okay, minus 1 by 4. Now this is question number 16. So under root a plus x minus under root a by x under root a square plus ax, limit x tends to 0. So this kind of question we have already seen. So this is I think question number 3, and in previous exercise also we have done it, a kind of this question, but here we have to rationalize it. We have to rationalize it. How to do this? Just multiply, because it is negative, so multiply plus, and when you plus a, this is a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square. So you have a plus x minus a in the numerator, and then we have denominator, of course we have x already there, and multiplying this a plus x minus a will be what? A get cancelled, you have x, so this x gets cancelled with x, and denominator you have under root a square plus ax, under root a plus x plus under root a. Now apply x tends to a. So x tends to a, when you apply this, you will get 1 by under root a square, ax is 0 now. So 1 by 2a under root a will come. This is question number 17. So x minus 5 by under root 6x minus 5 minus under root 4x plus 5. So it's very straightforward. Just multiply the rationalization factor of denominator in the numerator and denominator. Okay. So under root 6x minus 5 plus under root 4x plus 5, numerator, denominator. So you have a square minus b square. So you have 6x minus 5 minus 4x plus 5. So 6x minus 5 minus 4x minus 5. You get 2x minus 10. So 2x minus 10. Now you can take 2 common from here, x minus 5 will come. So numerator, denominator you can cancel, x minus 5. Okay. So we have in the numerator you have, see, you can just apply this x as 5 here, because x minus 5 already cancelled. So you have 6 root 6 plus 5 minus 5 and under root 4 plus 5 plus 5 divided by, and you have 2, already 2 was there. So 5 plus 5 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. 5 will be the answer. Question number 18. So here we have under root 5x minus 4 minus under root x by x cube minus 1. So rationalization factor you have to do it, right? So this is only x cube minus 1 we have to re-see. We apply x cube minus 1 as x minus x, a cube minus b cube we are applying x minus 1, and you have x square plus x and plus 1. So this is, first let us rationalize it. The rationalization factor is of course plus with plus sign, and a square minus b square, so 5x minus 4 minus x, and this 5x minus x is 4x minus 4, then you can take 4 common, x minus will be there. This is 5x minus 4 minus x, that is 4x minus 4. You take 4 common, it will be x minus 1, and denominator already I told you x cube minus 1 cube formula we are applying. So we have this 4x minus 1, x minus 1 cancelled, and this you have 4, numerator you have x square plus x plus 1, and then we have under root 5x minus 4 plus under root x, and just put x as 1, you will get 2 by 3. It's quite simple here. Just apply x as 1, because now you can apply already that cancellation of x minus 1 has already been done. So I'm just placing the value of x equals 1. It will be 4 by 3 into 2, that is going to be 2 by 3. Okay. This is question number 19. So you have limit x tends to 2, under root 1 plus 4x minus under root 5 plus 2x by x minus 2. So it's a very clear cut. You have to cancel x minus 2. This is what we have to do, x minus 2. So just multiply numerator denominator by this. Okay. Just and square it, a square minus b square. 1 plus 4x minus 5 plus 2x will come. And this will be a square minus b square. So 1 plus 4x minus 5 minus 2x, and that is going to be, because you have to be ready to cancel this x minus 2. So it will be minus 4 plus 2x. Minus 4 plus 2x, what does it mean? 2x minus 4. And if you take 2 common, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 gets cancelled. This is what is the main thing. Okay, x minus 2, x minus 2. So now put x as 2. These questions, these don't require much of effort, because once you get this x minus 2 cancelled, because x tends to 2, all other things which are remaining, just put as 2 or whatever is the limit. So you'll get 1 by 3 as the answer. Question number 20. So this is 20, limit x tends to 1, and then we have under root 3 plus x minus under root 5 minus x by x square minus 1. So in this, see, rationalization factor you have to use, but x minus 1, x plus 1 I am writing it for x square minus 1, because we know x tends to 1, so x minus 1 is going to be cancelled. So in the numerator, x minus 1 is for sure going to come. So I am applying a plus b, a minus b, because you know how to do this rationalization factor. So in the numerator 2x minus 2, now you can take 2 common, so x minus will come. So twice x minus 1 will come, and then final answer you know. That is 1 by 4 is going to come. Okay? To take common, x minus 1 cancelled, and of course, as I said, x minus 1 just cancel, only 2 by x plus 1, and this 3 under root 3 plus x plus under root 5 minus x will come, and just apply x as 1. Okay, so 2 by 1 plus 1, of course 2 gets cancelled. Denominator you have under root 4 plus under root 3 plus 1, under root 5 minus 1, like this. So 2 by 2 plus 2, 2 is already there, so you have 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is going to be the answer. Okay. Now the question number 21. Same thing you have to do, under root 1 plus x square minus under root 1 minus x square. So multiply with the conjugate. So under root 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x square, numerator denominator. So it will be a square minus b square. So this 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square will come. So this 1 gets cancelled. You have 2x square, and x is already there in the denominator. So x gets cancelled. Now when this x gets cancelled, you just have x in the numerator, which is when we applied x tends to 0, this x will be 0. Okay, x will be 0. Only x and denominator you won't get 0, because it is under root 1 plus 0 and plus under root 1 minus 0. So under root 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 by 2, that is 0 is going to come. Question number 22. So we have x tends to 0, under root 1 plus x square minus under root x plus 1 by 2x square. So it's 0 by 0. Whenever we put x as 0, here 0 by 0. So just multiply by the RF, rationalization factor. So numerator you'll get 1 plus x square minus x plus 1. So I'm just doing it so that I can show you what gets cancelled. This gets cancelled, only x square will be there. Denominator you have 2x square, x square gets cancelled. So you have this under root 1 plus x square plus under root x plus 1. Now I put x as 0. You have 1 by under root 1 plus 1 by 0 plus under root 1 by 2. So you have 1 by 4 as the answer. Now this is question number 23, and this is we are going to do in the next discussion. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.